Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to supercharge your immune system and unleash your body's natural defenses? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm serving up a delicious concoction of top tips and immune-boosting foods that will have you feeling like a superhero in no time. First things first, let's talk about the power of hydration. Yes, you heard me right. Water is your best friend when it comes to keeping your immune system in check. So grab that glass, chug it down, and let the hydration magic begin. Next up, let's get those bodies moving. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park or some calming yoga poses, physical activity is key to keeping your immune system strong and your energy levels high. So let's break a sweat and show our immune system some love. Now, on to the stars of the show. Immune-boosting foods. Load up your shopping cart with vibrant fruits like oranges, berries, and kiwis, packed with vitamin C to fend off those pesky bugs. And don't forget about leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. They're like a shield of armor for your immune system. Cooking up a storm in the kitchen? Why not sprinkle some garlic, turmeric, and ginger into your dishes for an extra immune-boosting kick? These power-packed ingredients not only add flavor to your meals but also amp up your body's defenses like nobody's business. And last but certainly not least, don't forget to take a moment for yourself each day. Whether it's through meditation, deep breathing, or simply unplugging from the chaos around you, giving your mind some TLC is just as important as fueling your body with nutritious foods. So there you have it, folks. The ultimate guide to boosting your immune system naturally. Remember, your health is your wealth, so prioritize it and watch those sickness bugs run for the hills. Here's to a strong and unstoppable immune system. Cheers to good health. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay immune boosted. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness wisdom. Until next time, keep shining bright. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and development. Thank you for watching.